Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And Leos, I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So we have by the book, Community and Never Ending Story. So, in your situation, Leos, it may be in your relationship or in your personal life, you may feel that something is uh, not right or um, something is hurting you, you feel lost or stressed, and you don't know what is the reason for that. You feel that you are the one who has done something wrong and you're criticizing yourself. You're feeling bad for something. But today, you must understand that none of that is true. Maybe deep down, we are conditioned to think that we are the reason for certain things and we are a victim and what to say, and in order to protect ourselves, our ego is telling us a particular story, or to protect what to say, ourselves from that pain and hurt, or out of fear or out of guilt, we try to stay away from truth, we try to hide from truth, and we go on thinking of the negative things that happened, maybe blaming others, or uh, what to say, trying not to see a situation in truth, in true light. But we must understand that there are more complex reasons to a particular situation or the way people are behaving. So in your relationship, maybe you are with this person and you may have a lot of pain, sadness, and you feel that you are being abused or you are feeling neglected. But sometimes the reason for certain things happening may be because of low self esteem and fear of intimacy in a connection. So we may not want this person to see our true self. So we may hide our true feelings, our thoughts, and we may put out a beautiful picture for them. This picture may not be true. So because our past has clouded our mind and it has conditioned us in a particular way, our experiences. But today, if you want a beautiful relationship, it must be based on truth. So whatever your past is past, Leos. It is not going to help you in any way. It is uh, going to make things worse if you regret your past and think about that again and again and do things today based on your past. So past should not cloud your present. So you must try to forgive yourself, forget whatever has happened in your life, and move towards your future in a what to say, in a positive way, because there are people who are truly concerned about you, who love you truly, and they are here for you to help you and guide you. And maybe sometimes you must uh, try to open your heart, try to tell this person what you truly feel, what you want. You can ask for uh, what to say, help. Maybe sometimes it will do you good if you follow someone's advice, because people who are close to you, who are deeply concerned about you, they will know what will be the right choice for you, what will work for you. And they will see things from a different perspective. So they will know what will work and what will be the right decision in your situation. So if you have people like that, you can listen to them, Leos. It will do you great good and it will make you see the truth. And we cannot be right all the time. We make mistakes. We tend to make mistakes. So we must see those mistakes, accept that it is ours, and learn from those mistakes, but we should not regret or brood over what has happened. What has happened for a reason. We must never ever forget that. And maybe today, way things are going, you feel a little lost or confused and you don't know what is the right thing for you. You must go by the book, whatever is the rule today. Maybe uh, we have laws in life, laws of karma, laws of attraction, and laws of nature. So, whatever you plan or think in your personal life or in your professional life, you must try to do things according to what your seniors did, maybe in your work. Whatever decisions your seniors are making, you must uh, see what they are doing, and you can follow that today. Follow those rules. That is going to help you avoid some difficulties. So you need to observe people who are close to you, maybe learn from your parents, your siblings. So how they are taking care of few things, you must go for it. That is going to help you, because if you stick to the rules you all of us have, instead of trying to do things your way, your own way, if you stick to the rules, you are going to attract happiness and abundance in your life, Leos. And you must give up all that toxic emotions you have in your situation, because your circumstances are changing and you need to believe in yourself, Leos, and tell yourself a beautiful story and give up all those past hurts and memories. That is not going to change you or change your circumstances in any way. That is not going to help you in any way. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.